Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, I have to explain you something that you have to look at. If you look at the chart properly, a pattern is forming. Okay, and you have to understand that pattern and react as per that. Okay, and we can backtest it if it moves the same particular way. See, if you look at the chart, this is the particular trend. Whenever it goes high after this particular 2020 low, whenever it goes high, we have seen it made a low of a whenever it hit a high, we have seen a downfall. Whenever it again move upside, made a high, we have seen a downfall. In the same way, we have seen it is 3-4 times. If you look at the weekly chart, you will understand. I'll show you a weekly chart itself, where you will understand clearly. See, looking at the chart, this particular trends we have seen, it is continuously making that particular trend. So before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other commodities, even stock and products, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. I'm making short videos so you can watch it full properly, and a telegram link also I've given in the description. You can join. See, now suppose if this particular level sustain, and I've already explained you that a swing is created here. Okay, so probability can be high if this particular level forming a same pattern, we can see it can move upside again. Okay, suppose if this level sustain, probability is high that it can sustain because a swing we have seen at this particular level. So suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $99.20. Okay, and this particular level, if it goes upside, we can see it can touch a level of $100.70. Okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $104.51. okay, and this is particular resistance, which is already a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $105.46. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $109.26. okay, and if the price goes above that level, a probability of touching 111.16 is very high, and this particular level, this particular resistance is already a weak resistance, so probability again a very high that we can see it can go to a level of $115.60. okay, and if that level goes upside, a probability is again we can see a level of $116.55, and this is again a weak resistance, so probability again a high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $123, and once if it crosses up this level, we can see it can cross a level of 129 also. Okay, this is for an upside trend I have explained you, but then I already explained you one thing, that market will not go like this. Okay, it will hold for some time, then it will move upside like this, or rather it will not come in the downside like this. It will hold for some time, then move down. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $94.05. okay, if it goes below that level. Okay, and if this level also didn't sustain, we can see it can move further low towards a level of $93.10, and $93.10 is a weak support, so probability is very high. We can see it can move further low towards a level of $90.24. okay, and suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $98.98, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $85.49. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $77, which is again a strong support. So we can see a bounce back at these levels, which I have explained you, 85, 77, and upside I've already explained you. Okay, this is if it goes below a level of 77, I'll make another video explaining where it can move, or you can check my monthly video. Okay, see, what I do a workshop where I teach that suppose you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1,000 to 1,500. Risk 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, suppose you took 5 trades all your trades went wrong and you made a loss of $500, which is 100 per trade. Okay, and you made a loss of 500. So you can stop the trade for the day, and the next day what will happen? You will focus more on profit, because it is not that a big amount that you will focus on recovering. Okay, if you make profit, it will recover automatically. Okay, again you will take 5 trades. This is what I teach in my workshop. What people do is they lose so much money in the first trade itself, they try to recover the next day, which in turn lose their full capital. This is what they do. So I teach how to overcome all these barriers and how to psychologically you can trade. So hope you, any doubt on this, you can mail me. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.